25 interesting ways small business owners are using QR codes. Part 1. If you're confused about how to use QR codes to market your business, this series of articles gives you 25 ideas on how other business owners are going about it. Remember that marketing is not just about making sales, but communicating with your customers in a positive way. 1. Transport companies like bus, taxi, tram, and train companies can use QR codes at their stations and other public areas that connect scanners to up-to-the-minute information about the next available bus, taxi, tram, or train. 2. Businesses that use direct mail are adding QR codes to their direct mail pieces. Some companies are even personalizing the QR code for each recipient so they land on a website page that has their personal details so that it looks like it was made just for them. 3. Museums, art galleries, photographers, and artists can use QR codes next to their art pieces so that art enthusiasts can get more information about that piece, make comments, see other art pieces related to it, and even purchase the art online. 4. Companies that run local tourist and historical attractions can use QR codes along tour routes to give tourists more in-depth information about a particular animal, relic, location, etc. 5. Real estate agents and developers are using QR codes to let and sell commercial and residential properties by placing them on their signage. The codes connect renters and buyers to videos and more detailed information about a property. 6. Tutoring schools can use QR codes to get students to sign up to free lessons and courses that are delivered to their email by an autoresponder program. 7. Food retailers can take advantage of QR codes to provide food source and nutrition information about the food they are buying. This is especially useful for grocers who sell organic food since organic food consumers are very particular about where their food is sourced.